Minutes enough. I know. I'm only staying on for 10 or 15 minutes. Just come up for a bit. Just a little mooch and see what's going on.
Maximum volume, maximum RF gain.
Yeah, Roger. Time goes quick on this as well, I find. An hour's gone by before you've even blinked. Yeah, Roger. How you been anyway?
This is
Yeah, good mate, yeah.
CV.
Yeah, good. Yeah, you give me a good signal tonight anyway. Well, you just gave me a good one last night, but yeah, it's, you're coming in very well.
CV transceiver.
The what's still playing up? Ah, right, got you. Roger. Bloody hell. What's up with him?
This has a little noise because it's the skelch that is desactivated. This half skelch, but I'm going to remove the skelch.
Yeah, you might have a leak when you're switching it back on. Have you got to fill it? Sometimes they lose the pressure. If that's happening, like you've probably got a leak somewhere.
It's equivalent, but the sound is very low. I'm going to use the Bluetooth with the external speaker, and we see if with this we can, because the sound is not bad, but it's very low, so we're going to check if we can fix the low sound with my come on guys, speak a little. Quite similar. Now the volume is high, but so We are not speaking. I don't know the channels, how they work. 8, 9, 6, from 6 to 99, 60, 99, 60, so I don't know. 60. Alright. So, okay. I know now. I'm going to see if we can. Oh. That is nice. Maybe the speaker, I don't know. I'm going to 9, 7. There is like a signal there, very low. So maybe this one is more sensitive. Oh yeah, this one is able to very low signal, is able to get it.
It's me, Dave. Yeah, I'm up in Prescott, near Millsy Safari Park.
Okay.
You can just literally around.
We go to this one. Ah, they are speaking now.
High ground, but yeah, you're doing very well. Well, it's definitely working for you, mate. I mean, you give me a plus 10 from there. That's good going, though.
Well, now we have more sound.
Yeah.
No, like
You
this.
got me there?
No.
Yeah, would you? Oh, that's good.
Not like this one.
More or less Liverpool side. And there's a couple of guys on 35. They're like more sort of Ellesmere Port that way, you know.
Well. Yeah. Some volume in FM CB more or less fixed. So next is the Mars mode to can transmit in CB. So thank you.